All right, on this video, I'm gonna show you how to get to your filter cycles on an R Series Bullfrog. What you wanna do is click your settings button right here, and you'll notice that there's a blue light there and a blue light there. That is gonna notify essentially which screen and which button you are clicking. So water care is highlighted, that's where you wanna go. Usually with a saltwater system, you wanna be on standard beginner. So I'll do that for this example. If you look, this blue light is highlighted right there, so I'm gonna click that. And then this brings us to our filter cycles. So for example, if I want to add a cycle, I'm gonna go down to add, click this blue light, it's gonna pop up right there. Now if you click this one, it will delete. So don't do that for now. We're gonna click this again. This would change from every day to a certain day. So let's do every day. And for this example, let's do 1 p.m. and 1 a.m. And then click it again, gets to your duration. Let's match it there. And just like that, and you're done.